Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a nice special toy I bought. It's a Knight Rider KITT. So it's a Trans Am. It's a really cool car. I found it online. They're very hard to find and I just had to buy it. So right now you can see, actually this is my first video with a voiceover, so bear with me. It was kind of hard to point the camera with the tripod and try to open the package at the same time, but here I am trying to open it up to show you guys my KITT. So got the one side open, going for the other side now, and it's almost that time. Got the top part open, flipped it around, and here it is. So the first thing I saw when I opened the box is some papers. I pulled out the remote first because it's an RC car. There's the remote. And here comes KITT. Look at that. And what's cool about it, also the seller, they put a little thank you on it. So that's pretty cool. And, alright, let's open it up. Lots of scotch tape, but that's okay. Look at that thing. There's the antenna. And there's KITT. Now, the car did come dirty, but I knew that already because with the pictures that the guy had online, it was kind of dirty, but I'm going to clean it up, and that's going to be a future video. But here it is. Very, very dirty, dusty. The one thing I noticed is the tag for Knight is missing. So if you guys know where I can find a tag that will fit there, please let me know. Comment below. But here is KITT. Now, the cool thing with this guy is that the light in the front works for the sensor, and the car also talks. But I'm going to be showing you that in a different video. Here is a remote. The antenna is there. Just got to put it on. Now, this car goes front, back, and left and right. I played with it already. It's a nice toy, but that's going to be a future video. Today, I just wanted to show you the unboxing. And there you go, guys. There is the Knight Rider KITT. Surprisingly, the batteries worked on the car and the remote. So I was playing with this car like not even 5 minutes after showing you. And then I decided to clean it because it has to be clean. But, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see any cool videos with this car, please let me know, give me some ideas, and I'll make it happen. And just showing you one more time how dirty it is. But next time you see it, it'll be clean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.